This video highlights the two main grubs that infest British lawns, the Chafer Grub and the leather jacket. There are a number of types of Chafer Grub, the most prevalent being the garden chafer. This is the larvae of the chafer beetle. They can mean real trouble if found in your garden. The beetles lay their eggs late May, early June, and their eggs hatch a few weeks later. The grubs then feast on the roots of your grass, causing yellow patches to appear. The damage tends to be most obvious through autumn and spring when the grubs are reaching maturity. In severe cases, you can literally peel the lawn away from the soil because all the roots have been eaten. The secondary damage then comes from birds and other mammals attempting to eat the grubs. So if you see a large amount of birds ripping up your lawn, this could be a sign that you have the Chafer Grub. The second type of grub is the leather jacket. This is the larvae of the crane fly, also known as daddy longlegs. These are similar to the Chafer Grub in the sense that they cause damage by eating the grass roots, by enticing animals to attack your lawn, trying to get to them. So, how do we control Chafer Grub and leather jacket? We can control Chafer Grubs and leather jackets with our specialist natural treatment. Ensure the lawn is freshly mown. We will then spike your lawn, then apply our treatment, allowing it to get to the roots and attack the grubs at source. There are very specific times in the year this treatment can be applied. The grubs need to be in their infant stage and the weather conditions need to be suitable. Any turf damaged by the grubs can then be repaired by a full lawn renovation as required. For more information on our services, head over to our website or follow us on social media.